안녕. Sweet baby girl, clean up 5. Hello, come back every day and collect your daily bonus. Welcome to my house. It's time to clean the playground. Let's clean the slide. First, throw the trash away. Now, wash it. Let's polish it. Much better. Now color it the way you like. Clean the playground. I want new swings. Remove the old one, please. Put in the bolts. What is this? Open the box. Oh, yes! This is what I wanted. Can you assemble it? So much! It will be so fun to swing! It's time to clean the... Welcome to my house! Ew! Throw it away! Get rid of that bad smell, please! Oh no! Catch those spiders! Don't forget the spider webs! Super! Now let's vacuum the floor! Don't forget to clean the wall! Great! Now let's paint it! The best! Welcome to my house. Decorate it, then make it more lovely. Awesome! Amazing! You are the best! Welcome to my house. Can you help me clean this? Let's clean the aquarium. First, take out my Goldie. Spray on some cleaner. Great! Now, wipe it. Oops, there's a leak. Great, it's fixed. Now clean off the algae. Much better. My fish would love to have a castle. Awesome! Let's color it. Goldie is very happy. Thank you for your help. Hi, can you help me clean this? Hi, can you help me clean this? Welcome to my house. Ew, I need some help. I'm scared of those bugs. Touch them, please. Apply some cleaner. Wait for a few minutes. Awesome! Now rinse it. Bath is clean. It's time to fill it. Pour some bubble bath. It feels great. Some toys would be fun. Thank you so much. I can relax now. Ew, I need... Let's do the laundry. Separate colored clothes from the white ones. Turn it on. Clothes are clean. Hang it, please. Good job. You are the best. Ew, I need some... Let's do the laundry. Separate Ew. Oh no, let's get rid of these germs. Toilet looks terrible. Brush it, please. Apply some toilet cleaner. Good job. Now scrub it. Flush it. So clean. It's spotless. You are my best little helper. Ew, I need some help here. Welcome to my house. Hey, help me to clean the kitchen. Let's do the dishes. Wash it. Wash this plate too. Can you do more? Don't forget the spoon. Awesome! Now rinse it. Dishes are clean. Put them back in their places. You did a good job. Kitchen looks great. Hey, open the fridge, please. Get rid of the cockroaches. Ew, this food is spoiled. Throw it away. Put shelves back in their places. Great! Now let's clean it. Spotless. Fill the fridge with new groceries. Good job! The fridge is clean now. Hey, help me to clean it. Welcome to my house. Hi, dress me up. Awesome! This looks great! Fits perfect! Wow! I look so beautiful! Thank you! Welcome to my house! Welcome to my house! Awesome! Now change my car design! Super! Cool! Wow! Oh, wow! I love the way it looks now! Welcome to my house! We have a lot of work to do! Can you prune this bush? Add some flowers! The best! Can you prune this bush? We have a lot of work. Let's renew the fence. First, polish it. Great! Now color it the way you like. The best! We have a lot. What is this? Unclog it, please. You did a good job. Thank you. We have a lot of work to do. Ew, what a mess! Throw the trash away. Mop the floor, please. You did a good job. Kitchen looks great. We have a lot of work to do. Let's make this window shiny. Wipe the window using the squeegee. Spotless. The window is clean. Thank you. We have a lot of work. Let's mow the yard. My best little helper. Thank you. We have a lot of work to do. Welcome to my house. Awesome! Some pool toys would be great. relax now. Welcome to my house.